Ow, what was that for?
Cause for being an idiot.
Okay.
You seen that? That's so funny. But you've heard of it, right?
Yeah.
So, what's that for? For being an idiot. Okay.
So it's just boring. Cause
I can't do it without her. I'm sorry, but cause someone. Just let her.
me.
It's boring without that.
What's boring?
What are you doing?
Laying down.
Thundercat. I need you. Oh, I need you. Oh, we're on camera. Bye.